Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this morning we want to do casting. We want to cast the lintel and the sock away. So the people that will cast it, they are here, and I want to quickly drop this razor for them so that they will use it to open the cement bag. I just opened the gate for them to enter now. So let's go there. See your stomach. See your stomach. Go and eat for us. You eat? What do you eat?
I don't bring a color. I don't collect her.
Yeah? Yeah? Yam. Akama yam. Okay. So this is where they mount their machine. They're going to use new one to cast today. They just bought this one yesterday, and they want to first use it at my site. They said at my site that they want my site to bring new change to their life in this 2024. So we pray that if they use this one here finish, they're going to be, that is, they will use it till they recover their money and still gain ×5 of what they spent on it. So small time now, we're going to start. All of them, they don't go eat morning food before they will start to work. Tear rubber. So I told them that they are going to use this granite finish before they will touch the new one. So this is the one that they are going to first to use before they divert to this one. Okay, they just brought cement for us now. See, they just brought cement now. And we're about to start to work.
No need to open now, don't open. Ah, not the press.
They don't come.
You never put iron for back. For one place, I mean.
Good luck. What you go find for? Carpenter not dead there. Yeah? Never come, he don't come out. He come, he don't come out, he don't come out. The carpenter don't come out. So we want to put this iron there because they forgot it yesterday. I want to say that now the other side the iron they say. This one we can. Okay. If they want carry, make them come here, come they carry them. That day when they work finish. Now you make me tell you to make it a drop am for here. That day when they work finish, make they carry it be less than 21.5 bag. Remember for them, make them carry enter inside. Some of them they ask me how much you want give us. This investment. Now you make I say if you come you drop some for them for here, carry some drop for here. So they don't offload finish. See. Okay, our iron bender is tying. Our iron bender is dropping the iron that he put on that place before. The iron that he put on the balcony before, he's dropping it, making it to enter inside because the iron hang before. You want tie second way for where? What is the tie for there?
So that outside.
What you can say you can sign that place? You want tie am?
No, there.
With wood?
No, wire.
Don't you know the shape?
I don't need the letter.
Okay. You do okay now. Come tie am, may I dey see. So if you tie this thing finish, now the thing no go to shake if they palm. Oh, yes, you don't strong. In a dear, in a dear. Hey guys, so we are still working at the site too. They're still casting the lintel. I didn't collect food money for my brother hand, now in the cook. It's all strong. I shit water with that. That's when I shit water.
My place is small now.
The water that is smell for your house. Not your own, no. Not the function of place. I see your front where they talk nonsense for man. They do what they do at bed, they answer like say they call you. They go do work now, they look me. Jagaban they go for leave. Like they go for leave. Hey guys, so see our work don't go fast more. We are getting it done already. See all this place, they don't pour all this place. This place now is okay. Okay, you won't climb up. No first, so sad they delay you. No first. I go buy one pure water for you.
I believe you.
For the delay. They drive motor. You sabi ride motor? You sure? Okay, the NEPA man don't come. You want to hang this wire for us so that I will be able to be using lights. Your body finish, oh. You don't stay your body finish, oh. Hello, Alpha? Oh, let's walk on day. Hey guys, so we're casting the sock away pits. The sock away they okay now. They solid now. And the in level and well. When they pay money, so when they stay, when they stay is the finish. So we are rounding up. I made a steam put so that place will be okay. Well, you never have this center well. Okay, this okay. That side. Then they're washing their new machine.
They need to wash that way.
And it's okay, they're okay.
No, like this now. Let's fish.
Let me start go the shit for them.
Before you get water, you go to like now. The car pump machine comes and I go pump all the.
So see the pillar. We don't cast this pillar and all the lintel. They are done casting everything. So, they are done casting it on this place. Everywhere is okay now. So the next thing is to lose all the bako. After losing the bako, then we can now set our tutu coach. After the tutu coach, I'm gonna parapet with that. We start knocking the parapet. So that is the another work again. That is another work again that we're going to do here. Before we continue with other works, because work is still plenty. You see all these places now. The giant still there or no?
Okay, I come back. This will come out.
I want to make a big 2 of one now. 2 of one now.
We're not make this gun again.
You go back away and go down 9 picking.
When I watch and well.
You go buy apple. You go buy apple.
So you look at all this land, I'll be like tired.
Oh, now you complete and then
Now you don't come out and a new wife.
a new wife.
Go to make our brother. Go make
I tell you, a new wife. The machine
I wash her well.
Machine.
So we are rounding up.
Wash her, I need to wash clothes.
Now you go buy apple.
Oh, now gym for once.
Good luck. Don't forget to carry that cement too.
Who's man?
That cement where they there. Okay. See the soccer way here. We are done casting the soccer away. We don't cast and finish. So we are done with the casting. Let me show you guys the front edge. So they're getting ready to go now. We really try today, because we don't cast all these things finish. We don't cast the lintel, the pillar, and the sockaway finish. I'll still show you guys the sockaway pits. To the arc, to the pillars. So see everywhere. Everybody don't go. See See the sock away. Too much water enter inside here. That very day that we pump sand, water use speed, it use pressure, enter this sock away very well. So we're going to bring pumping machine and pump the water out. The water is too much, make I not go close very well before my phone go fall inside. I'll go there now. So see. See our sand. See the way they use our sand. They use plenty sand though. From here now. And they dig sand. See this place now. See this place. Hey guys, so I think we need to end the vlog here. I'm going to pack all this cement bag. I'm going to pack everything inside now. So we need to end the vlog. Finally, see our wire. They have hung the wire today. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.